Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of rounding off to the given number of significant figures, D1, chapter number 3. And this is my seventh lesson of bridging videos. In these lessons, we are discussing small concepts so that students can have the good grasp on paper 1 concepts and they can get and secure good marks in their O-level examination. Before moving to the lesson, I just want to discuss some key points with my students that in case of the non-exact answers, suppose I'm taking the square root of 131 in front of you, 131, and you can see here the calculation is not ending 4 4 5 5 2 3 and 1 4. So in order that the final answer to be accurate to 3 significant figures, any intermediate calculation and working must be correct to 4 significant figures. This concept and this problem students can face while doing their trigonometric question, where they're using the values of different trigonometric ratios, and the mensuration question where they involve the value of pi. So please, this is a key point that you have to keep in your mind. And moving to today's class, in today's class we will be learning and discussing how to round off some given numbers according to the level of the significance given in the question. And first question is that we have to round off 8,982 to 2 significant figures. So please recall my previous lesson that how to round off the given number to the given level of accuracy. So the first thing is that we have to see that to which level of significance we have to round off the number. We have to round off the number to 2 significant figures. So what we have to do is that 8982. First of all, I have to locate that number. Means I have to give my answer to at least to 2 figures. This is the second figure. And then what we have to do, we have to focus our attention on the next digit, which is right of this. And we have to see whether that is 5 or greater than 5. And recall my previous lesson, what to do if the number is 5 or greater than 5. Then we have to, what we have to do, we have to make it 0. And we have to add 1 to the previous number, okay, plus 1. So it will become 9 plus 1 is 10, and then that 1 will be going towards 8, and it will become 9, and the rest 2 digits will be replaced by 0, and this will become 9,000. Okay, moving to the second part, that says that we have to round off 0.0060195 nearest to 4 significant figures. So recall the previous lesson that these zeros, as they are not coming after non-zero digit, they are not significant. So my first non-zero digit is 6. So after this I have to count 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I need the answer till this digit, and then I have to focus my attention on the next digit, which is on the right of this, and see whether that is 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. As this number is 5, again what we have to do, we have to make it 0, and we have to add 1 to the previous number and plus 1. And when I'm adding 1 over here, it becomes 10, 0, 1, and that 1 will be added to this one. This is 2, 0, 6, and then 0.0006020. This is the answer of this number, 0.0060195, nearest to 4 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Moving to third question, that is 0.9999, and I have to give my answer nearest to 3 significant figure. First of all, I have to decide the digit. I have to take 3 digits in my answer, and then I have to focus my attention on the 4th digit, the digit which is next to this, and I have to see whether that is 5, more than 5 or less than 5. As this number is again luckily more than 5, so what I have to do, I have to add 1 to the previous number, and I have to make this number 0, and this becomes 9 plus 1 is 10, and then this is again 10 and 1.0, as I have to give my answer nearest to 3 significant figures. So I have to write, students, 1.00. This is really important, as the question says that 3 significant figures, so I am not supposed to write all 4 digits here. I have to end up my working with 2 zeros after 1. Some of these students say, ma'am, they are zeros, it doesn't matter, but when we are making this accuracy, it really matters that if the question has asked us 3 significant figures, so we have to give 3 digits only in our answer. I hope you are really clear about this. Now, then moving to the next question. These are the exam questions, and I'm taking the questions from the past papers so that students can understand that how important these questions are. Now look, given a level of significance which is given to us is 2 significant figures. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to locate the digit which is the required one. This is the 2nd digit. Okay. Now I have to look at the digit which is right of this digit and see whether that is 5 or greater than 5 or less than 5. As this number is more than 5, so what I have to do, I have to make it 0 and add 1 to the previous, then it will become 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 90, nearest to 2 significant figures. Moving to the next question, that is 0.02049. Again, if we look at this 0, this is not significant. And why this is not significant? Because this 0 does not have any non-zero digit before this, but this 0 is significant. Now I need 2 significant digits in my answer, so I will be focusing on this digit, and then I have to look towards the right of this, what digit comes, whether that is 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. Okay, these are the 3 things that you have to do, that decide whether that digit is 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. As we have 4 this time, which is less than 5, so what we have to do is that we will be making this digit 0, but we are not going to add any number, or we are not going to add 1 to the previous, so 0.20 will be the answer for this question, nearest to 2 significant figures. And again, the next question is 288.54. Recall the rules. If the rules are in your mind, 288.54. Okay, this is the digit till which we need the answer. And then what we have to do, we have to look at the digit which is towards the right hand side of this number and see whether that is 5, greater than 5 or less than 5. Now we have 8 here, which is greater than 5. So what we have to do, we have to make this digit 0 and add 1 to the previous, and it will become 290, nearest to 2 significant figures. And moving to the next question, that is 0.03026. This 0 is not significant. Okay. And then I need the answer nearest to 2 significant figures. So what we have to do is 0.03026. Okay, look, students, this 0 is not significant. And now what we have to do is that we need the answer till this point, and then I have to focus my attention on the digit which is on the right hand side of this digit but very next to this, and see whether that digit is 5, more than 5, or more than 5, or less than 5, less than 5. As that digit is 2, that is less than 5. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to drop this digit, and we are not going to add 1 to the previous, so it will be coming as it is. Moving to the next question, that is 0.0040751, and we have to give our answer nearest to two significant figures. So let me see whether it's coming under screen. Yes, look, these two zeros are not significant, and I have to give my answer to two significant figures. So this is the place where I have to focus my attention, and then I have to encircle the digit which is on the right hand side of this number, 0.004751. Okay, and 7, I have to focus my attention on 7, and see 7 is greater than 5. So what we have to do, that we have to make this digit 0, and we have to add 1 to the previous, and the question will take the form 0.0041 to the nearest two significant figures. I hope, students, you are really clear that how we are turning our given numbers to the given level of accuracy. Please watch this lesson and understand this lesson in order to solve some bigger and harder questions of the next level. Don't miss the next level. In the next level, I'll be taking some harder questions of past papers so that my students can understand those problems easily before their O-level examination. This lesson is equally important for my junior students and for my O2 and O3 students, especially for my O3 students who have to appear in their exams. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.